Hi, and thank you for allowing us to see this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can get a strong online presence, outrun your competition, and of course get more clients. So let's start with your website. I'm sorry, with your website here. Um, uh, the first thing that I have to point out is that you could use more content. And by content, I mean words. Why is that so important? Because when you add words and you include relevant content, including keywords, it's going to help you to rank on Google search. So definitely on the homepage, try to add more content. It will definitely help you. And then on the sub page, for example, this is divorce and family. Same thing, a little more content will, like I said, will definitely will help you. If we look on the back end of your website, now we can see that you're only being found for 24 keywords. You're not driving any traffic to your website, and even though you have over 1,000 backlinks, uh, these ratings are not increasing. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and that will give you power so you can be found on Google. Now, not all links are created equal. You can have hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you want to be found for, these numbers are not going to go up. This will help you to be ranking on the organic searches results. So something that you really want to take consideration for this amount of backlinks, these numbers should be a little bit more higher. So I did a quick search for divorce lawyer New Jersey. Um, in the first section that you're gonna see is the sponsor, which you pay gold to be here, and basically they guarantee you that whoever clicks on here is gonna be a customer. Then we have the traditional Google ads. This is if it's not done properly, it's a hit or miss because you're gonna be paying every time that somebody clicks on your ad, and depending on the type of keyword, it can go from 1 cent to hundreds of dollars. Then we have the map section, and this is something you want to be found for because if you're if you have a profile on Google My Business, it needs to be optimized. It needs to have more content. It needs to have images. It needs to have reviews, so you can be found here. In regardless of your location, you can be found here. If somebody's typing, for example, divorce lawyer, Princeton, New Jersey, you can definitely be found here if you locate, even if you're located in other city. Now, moving on, we have the organic results, which is position number one, number two, number three, number four, number five. If I keep scrolling down, I don't see your website over here. So, and just as a quick reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't even pass this top three and this top three over here. They don't even go down all the way down and not even to the second, third page. So you might be missing a lot of potential customers for not being in this page. For the purpose of the video, I went and opened up this website from uh, this law firm over here, and we can see on the homepage that they do have a little more content, and because they're being number one, this has to be relevant content. Definitely has to be relevant content, and we can see that they have more pages, which is also helping them. And if we look on the back end of their website, we can see that they're being found for over 23,000 keywords. That's bringing them around 11,000 visits a month to their website. And even though they have over 100 backlinks, you can see that these links they seem to be relevant because these numbers are quite high. So this is something you want to take in consideration because if you want to start ranking, this is something that you need to target these numbers over here and keywords as well because this is very important. That's why they're being ranking number one in just this specific keyword. And talking about this keyword, uh, I pull out the information of this, and we can see that there's 350 searches a month for this keyword. And if you will be running Google Ads, it will cost you $30. Now, the difficulty for this keyword is quite easy, so it's not going to take too much time to rank for this keyword if you have the proper content that I was telling you about and uh, powerful backlinks. So just on this 350 visits, something to searches, something that you can turn into customers. And for example, a variant of this keyword, NJ divorce lawyer, 300 searches, something that you might want to target as well. Freehold NJ divorce lawyer, same thing, 150. So these are it's a reference because if you want to target any of these keywords, there's potential. There's a lot of possibilities that these numbers can turn into customers. So to wrap these things up, if you like what you hear, if you think we can help you out, we will be more than happy to assist you. Or even if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I will answer any questions that you have, and I really hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.